A few hours ago, Bitcoin attempted to break the $17,000 barrier but was stopped by the release of UK inflation figures. Most alternative cryptocurrencies are also slightly down today. SBF, the former CEO of FTX, has been venting on Twitter about how he plans to make customers whole and how he plans to revive his cryptocurrency businesses. Bitcoin is currently trading at $16,740 after starting the day at $16,886. It has hit a high of $17,002 and a low of $16,761. The recent Russia-Ukraine conflict has caused a drop in the cryptocurrency market. Let us take a look. The main worry about the war in Ukraine is that it may escalate into a larger confrontation between Moscow and the US-led NATO alliance. The fatal missile strike on a Polish village on the Ukrainian border has clarified that fear. At 3:40 p.m. on Tuesday, a missile hit Przewodów, a town in southeastern Poland not far from Ukraine's border, killing two reportedly farm laborers, according to the local media. Since Russian President Vladimir Putin authorized a full-scale invasion of Ukraine on February 24, this region of Poland has been living with a war. Millions of refugees have used its routes to leave the fighting, and Western military equipment worth billions of dollars has been shipped to Ukraine to help its people fight back. The bombing on Tuesday carried the battle for the first time into Polish territory, highlighting how close Europe is to a confrontation between the world's two strongest nuclear powers. Accusations were leveled at each other in the first, tumultuous aftermath of the occurrence. Explosions were reportedly triggered by Russian missiles that had crossed into Poland, according to the Associated Press, which cited an anonymous senior U.S. intelligence officer. But the threads of that explanation started to fray. As a result, the safe haven appeal has increased and risk-off market sentiment has increased, increasing demand for gold and driving a sell-off in the stock and cryptocurrency markets. According to the Labor Department's report released on November 15, the cost of wholesale products, excluding food and energy, has decreased. The trend may be due to improved supply chains and slow demand caused by higher borrowing rates. It reinforces economists' claims that the prices of goods had started to decline. The Producer Pricing Index, PPI, also indicated a slowing in inflation. The 0.6% increase in the cost of final demand items was reportedly responsible for the increase in PPI excluding food, energy, and trade services. In October, the PPI increased by 0.2%, less than the 0.4% consensus estimate, and annual prices fell from 8.4% to 8.0%. As a result of lower than expected PPI data, the crypto market has risen, and prices have increased.